matter around us is made up of small particles known as atoms or molecules, you can say. Every matter, whether it is iron, it is wood, or air, water, or any liquid or gases or solids, all are made up of matters. The particles are very, very small, very small. You cannot see them with naked eye. How can you prove that the matter, okay, in which the particles are made up of is very small? So you can say like this: suppose a small crystal of potassium permanganate. Okay, it may be very small one. It is a very small one, just like one salt particle. If you put it into 1 liter of water, the whole color of the water will become okay, pink in color. It is here now. Okay, so that much small particles, okay, contain okay infinite number of atoms. It is here, and that is why the whole water has become colorful. This proves that the particles are okay, very small. Second, there is space in between the particles of matter. There's space in between the particles of matter. Matters are okay. How can you prove this? So you can prove like this. It is suppose if you put a little amount of salt in water, the volume of the water okay, doesn't rise up. It's here now. So why? It's because you have put some salt into it, so the volume must rise. It is here, but it doesn't happen. It is because the sand particles has gone into the spaces in between the water molecules. This is then. Second, the particles of matters are always moving, whether it is solid, liquid, or gas. So they are all are moving. The particles of matters are always moving. It is here now. The particles of matters are always moving. Okay, how can you prove that? So suppose if you will put uh, if you keep one incense stick unlit at one corner of the house, the smell of that incense stick is felt each and every okay corner of the room. It is here. It is because the particles of incense sticks are so small that okay they are moving okay throughout the room. Then and this movement of particle is known as kinetic energy. This is known as kinetic energy. Kinetic energy okay rises with increase in temperature. When the temperature rises, the kinetic energy of the particles also rises. Uh, if you heat one end of a piece of iron, that other end gets also hot because the kinetic energy of the particles move okay, move from this end to this end. It is in Africa. So the vibration is so much that okay, this vibration, this kinetic energy of the particles is okay moves throughout this iron here, and this part also becomes hot. You know, okay, kinetic energy is same as the heat energy.